How to install Google Meet on iPad? First, we need to go to the App Store, so open App Store. On the search, write Google Meet. Now, tap on Search. After you have found the app, just tap on Get and wait. It will ask you your password or your fingerprint. Complete the requirements. You have installed Google Meet on your iPad. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. Tap on Continue. Here, tap Allow Meet to access the camera. Also, allow Meet to access the microphone. Let's tap Sign In. I will set up a new Gmail account, but you can log in with an existing one. Tap on Add another account. Tap here Continue. Here you can log in with your current email if you do not wish to create a Gmail account. Tap on Create an account. I will select for myself. Write the first name and the last name. Tap Next. Write the birthday and gender. Tap Next. Pick the best Gmail account that you like. Tap Next. Here, write the password and confirm the password. Then, tap Next. Here tap Yes, I am. Now tap Next. Agree with terms of service and tap Create an account. Tap Confirm. Now you are connected with an account on Google Meet. You can now join a meeting or create a new meeting. Also, directly on this screen, you can mute the microphone and turn off the camera. If the buttons from the bottom are red, then it means your microphone and camera are off. On the right, you have the audio option. You can select any device that is connected to your iPad. On the left menu, you have settings, but mostly this is empty now. Probably Google will add more settings shortly. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.